Good afternoon, everyone. It is my privilege today to welcome all of you to this session on expanding private investment in healthcare, promotion of medical tourism towards the larger vision of developing Viksit Uttar Pradesh by 2047. As we are all very well aware, the state over the past few years has made remarkable gains in health outcomes, health infrastructure, in terms of rapid expansion of medical colleges, trauma centers, tertiary care centers, growth of private hospitals in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, widespread adoption of digital health records, e-governance, telemedicine platforms, strengthened PHCs, CHCs, emergency networks. We also saw the success of UP Global Investor Summit in 2023. For the health department alone, MOUs, around 250 MOUs worth more than 35,000 crores were signed between the medical and health department and the private investors. I'm happy to see many of the investors who had participated in this MOU signing ceremony. They are present here, and many of these hospitals are already on ground, so which is a big achievement for the state. Over the past few years, government has taken a lot of public-private partnership initiatives spanning across the running of our ambulance services, teleconsultation services, diagnostic services, operation of CT scan and ultrasound services. So these kind of partnerships have been running. Along with that, few 100-bedded hospitals have also been running on the PPP model in the state. Recently, government of UP has introduced major health reforms in this segment by introduction of new building bylaws, which are much more flexible, more adaptive, ensure faster approvals, greater flexibility in setting up of new hospitals. Picking a cue from the success of these PPP initiatives, recently the government has also offered 15 community health centers on a PPP model. The tender is already in the public domain. Apart from that, we are now preparing to launch large 200 to 300 bedded hospitals, which are multi-speciality hospitals on a PPP model, which are already there and existent in few of the districts, but we are seeking private partnerships to run these hospitals. Government is in the last step of bringing a very forward-looking incentive policy for private investment. The policy would include significant subsidies on land cost for setting up of new hospitals, stamp duty exemptions for setting up of new hospitals, incentives for upgrading small and medium existing hospitals into larger multi-speciality hospitals. The policy would have a targeted focus on the district headquarters and the outside rural areas to improve geographical equity of hospital distribution. So this policy, which is in the very last stage and would be hopefully published very soon, would also go a long way in promoting private investment in the healthcare sector as far as UP is concerned. To position UP as a preferred medical tourism destination, government is planning dedicated Medicare healthcare hubs in key cities to anchor large investments, create high-quality health clusters, and attract domestic and international patients also. Therefore, Government of UP is truly committed to work very closely with the private healthcare providers, technology providers, and investors towards the larger goal of expanding healthcare infrastructure, setting up of multi-speciality hospitals, as well as to deliver world-class healthcare across the state to all segments of the society. In today's session, we have a very esteemed panel with us, where people ranging from various national, international brands to the regional brands to the representatives of national and state associations are there with us to share their views on how UP can encourage private investment. All of us today, as you are aware, have gathered to build on the Vision 2047 as far as the health sector is concerned. And I can say with, surety that, this session and this segment, private investment is one of the key indicators which would be really driving ahead the Vision 2047 as far as healthcare sector is concerned. We, and especially I, would look forward to a very insightful discussion from all the panelists and the audience here in this session. Thank you.